That was Blondie. We call me, and I got a call this morning. Yes, off my mate Eddie Smythe. He said to me, "Will," he said, "I've been working in Wales with all these sheep." I won't say the second word because I don't think it's appropriate. So, but you can imagine what it is. Wales, men, sheep. Yeah, you get the picture. So I said, "What's up, mate?" So he said, "I've been stuck on the M6. He said, "It's like a car park." I said, "It's always like a car park on a Friday." I said, "You can't move. It's bumper to bumper." He said, "Do us a favour." He said, "Put some Tom Jones on." So Eddie, this one's for you, mate. It's Tom Jones. It's not unusual.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you want to. Why can't this crazy love be more? It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you've changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Oh, 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 oh.
To be cautious. People tell me not to lose my self-control. People tell me to be flawless. People tell me not to let myself evolve. And I think I don't really get it. I think it's all just a peculiar game. And soon I'll wake up and I'll forget it. And everyone will know me by a different name. I want it to be stronger. I want it to be everything for you. If I could be stronger, would you believe that I could love you like you want me to? Gotta be stronger for you.
Love me like you want me to.
Gotta be stronger for you.
Love me like you want me to.
I held my breath every time. I tried to keep myself dry, but did I ask too much? If I could do it again, would you believe what I said? That I still want that rush. And I think I don't really get it. I think it's all just a peculiar game. And soon I'll wake up and I'll forget it. And everyone will know me by a different name. I want it to be stronger. I want it to be everything for you. If I could be stronger, would
two in a row there. First of all, I played Tom Jones with It's Not Unusual, going out to my mate Eddie Smythe, sat listening on the 8 in Salford, eh? I bet you're glad you're home, aren't you, Eddie? And the second one was Clean Bandit, going out to a Pauline Packer, an ex-DJ friend of mine and one of the best spiritualist mediums in the Northwest. So if you need any readings, get in touch with us. She's on my Facebook page. Right, what have we got coming up next? I'll tell you what we've got coming up next. We've got a classic from 1974. Yes, we've got Teddy Jacks, Seasons in the Sun.
Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we've climbed hills and trees, learned of love and ABC, skinned our hearts and skinned our knees. Goodbye, my friend, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, pretty girls are everywhere. Think of me and I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time. Goodbye, Papa, please pray for me. I was the black sheep of the family. You tried to teach me right from wrong. Too much wine and too much song, wonder how I got along. Goodbye, Papa, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, little children everywhere. When you see them, I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the wine and the song, like the seasons, have all gone. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the wine and the song, like the seasons, have all gone. Goodbye, Michelle, my little one. You gave me love and helped me find the sun. Every time that I was down, you would always come around and get my feet back on the ground. Goodbye, Michelle, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, with the flowers everywhere, I wish that we could both be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the stars we could reach were just starfish on the beach. We had joy,